In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up price alerts on Binance. This is a great way to stay informed about the fluctuations in the cryptocurrency market and make timely decisions about your investments. Let's dive in and make sure you have everything you need to get started. First, you'll want to head over to your preferred internet browser. Once you're there, type Binance into the search bar. You'll want to look for the official Binance website, which is simply binance.com. Click on this link, and it will take you directly to the site's homepage. Once you're on the homepage, you should spot a section labeled Market. Go ahead and click on the More option in this section. This will lead you to the Market Overview, where you'll find a comprehensive look at various cryptocurrency markets. Now, let's focus on the task of setting up a price alert. You'll notice an icon that looks like a bell. This is for price alerts. Click on it, and you will open up the settings for your alerts. Next, you'd want to click on Create Alert. This is where you'll be able to enter all the details about the alert you wish to set. You'll start by choosing the coin pairs you're interested in monitoring. For example, you might select BNB, but feel free to choose any pair that best fits your interest. Now, click on the Alert type and choose whether you want to be notified when the price reaches a certain threshold or when it drops below a certain point. After selecting, click on Price Reaches to set your specific alert. Enter the exact price at which you'd like to be notified. You can type this directly into the field provided. For those who prefer frequent notifications, you can click Highlight or choose Only Once if you prefer to receive a single alert. Once you've filled everything to your liking, confirm by clicking Create. Congratulations, you've just set up a price notification alert. This quick setup will ensure you stay informed without needing to constantly check the price yourself. If you need to create another alert, go ahead and click on Create Alert again. Follow the same process for different price points or coin pairs, depending on your interest. You can also choose to be notified specifically when the price drops to a desired level. There you have it. With these steps, you're well equipped to monitor the market with ease and confidence. Remember, keeping alerted to price changes is a valuable tool in your investment strategy, helping you make more informed decisions. Thank you for watching and happy trading on Binance.